Hi, Ted Sisson here with Dave Arbogast Ford in beautiful Troy, Ohio. Hey, thank you for the inquiry on the 2022 F-150 Black Widow. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So, walking around the truck, this Black Widow does have the Black Widow front grille, hood inserts. You have the color match fender flares to it. You have the Black Widow inserts to the rims. It does have the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires on it. You also see the Black Widow calipers. Does have the Black Widow running boards with triple step, so you can have the step to reach into the back of the bed as well. Does have backup camera. Also has a 360 surround camera. I'll show you a little more of that when we get inside, along with your rear parking sensors, full tow package, 7-pin harness. Right off the key fob, we can drop the tailgate, which is nice, or you just grab the handle. Does have the Pro workstation on top, so it gives you a couple different options if you're doing little projects of measuring, as well as you have your Pro step. Does have the grab handle that comes out and up, along with the ability to C-clamp something to the tailgate if you needed to. Also has the Pro Power on board, so you see you've got your double hookup here for electrical. Tie downs are in the truck, but those are adjustable and removable. Now, in the rear, you do have a 60-40 split folding second row bench. Does have the Black Widow stitching in the diamond pattern, which is really neat in these. You'll see it's a 60-40 split fold. It does have the tow hooks, all-season mats. Carpenter mats are already in it. We do include a front plate bracket in case your state requires a front plate. One of the things I love about this truck is the panoramic roof. So when you look up from back here to get a better look at that, it really gives it a spacious feel in this truck with that roof open. In the front here, you're going to notice you got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You do have blind spot monitoring in both mirrors as well. B&O premium audio system has a fantastic sound to it. Full power driver's seat with lumbar support. Again, you have the diamond stitching Black Widow, and you'll see right in the back of the seat there that it's got the Black Widow emblem, driver and passenger. Tilt telescoping steering wheel release, auto headlights, fog lights, adjustable foot controls for your foot pedals, mud lights for your mirrors, your bed light, power turn on and off, electric parking brake, all very convenient and to get to. And again, tilt telescoping steering wheel release. Let me show you a little on the inside. So it is a push button start. You will see here that you do have your lane keep assist, all your audio controls, Bluetooth controls, all your information panel settings, all right here on the steering wheel, so everything is easy access. Down here you have your four-wheel drive mode controls, built-in trailer brake, Pro trailer backup system. On your shifter, you do have the ability to hide your shifter, so we can push a button here, make that go down. So on a long trip, it's really not in your way. It's very convenient and tucked away nice and neat. When you need it again, you just hit that button and it comes right back up. You have a dual zone climate control in this truck, along with heated seats to both driver and passenger. 12-inch radio display. Now in your radio display, you're going to notice that the backup camera, and as we turn, you'll have your grid pattern that will show you anything you might make contact with, as well as we have the 360 surround, and then you do have your parking sensors as well. So it makes parking a truck like this a breeze. Now we get into the audio system. AM, FM, XM radio, all included with the truck. You get into the apps. You can use things like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, where Pandora, Spotify, Amazon Music are all capable of going through that system. It does have built-in manufacturer navigation, as well as being able to use Google Maps or Waze through your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. And then as well, we get into the features of the truck, and you can get into your digital owner's manual, your Pro Power onboard, driver assist. So you do have some other options available there in that. Now, you do have the pano roof, and in that pano roof, it does have a shade. I'm going to close this up for a minute so you can see that. So on an ultra bright day, or if it's super hot out, you can close that up to keep the truck a little more temperature controlled. And then again, that button is right here to open that. Now the front part of this is also a sunroof, so this will open. And with it open, you have a nice little bug shield in there so you don't get a lot of bugs into the truck. As well as with it closed, I could push this button in here again, and you'll see that it ventilates up. And then pushing that one more time, it'll close. Now you also have a power rear window, and I'm going to open and close this for you so you can see that. And that power window control is up here with your sunroof controls as well. Really changes the airflow into the vehicle, especially on a hot day. We go over to this side of the vehicle. You do have your 120 volt plug, as well as your 12 volt power outlet, dual glove boxes, so your lower box and then your upper box. And then the storage capacity, you have a very large center console here. This does have your removable tray. There's also some information in here with the Southern Comfort Performance Package with the lift. Overall, very, very well equipped truck, and some really neat features in it. Again, my name is Ted Sisson from Dave Arbogast Ford. I'd like to thank you for taking your time to watch this short walk-around video on the 2022 F-150 XLT Black Widow. Please let me know if there's any specific questions I can answer or how I can be of further assistance. And I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.